This will be a Porta Potty re-review here of Craig Drive, and this is Ocean Drive, very late afternoon, Emerald Isle, North Carolina. And this is that new second row home that they're constructing here. Got all the fancy golf carts out here this evening. So let's go check this Porta Potty out. This will be a re-review. Looks like they've changed color of this some time ago. It was a brown one. And this is a Blue Site Solutions Porta Potty here, just off Craig Street at Emerald Isle, North Carolina. New home being built. We'll take a look at that in just a second here. Late afternoon. It's going to be a little dark. Let's go check this one out. A graded floor. Gosh, it smells. It smells in here. High smell of urine. Whew. A little dark. Looks like July 18th was the last clean date. Real dark. Can't see in the toilet, but it is dirty for sure. And the soap dispenser is gone. Really dark here. Looks like we got 3 rolls of toilet paper. Wow, I can't stand to be in here. It smells so bad. It's not ventilated very well. Let's go outside and take a look on the outside here. And it is backed up to these bushes here. Not getting a lot of air behind it. There's our vent pipe up here. Looks like it's sitting pretty level. Let's go take a look at the new home here. And let's just go take a look at this home here. Of course, we're not supposed to be in here. No trespassing sign has fell down. See the progress on this home. You can still see the old driveway here. This was a home that they removed, and it looks like it's coming along really quickly here. It's like they're finishing up the outside now and probably doing the inside. This will be a very nice home with a very steep driveway. Curious to see what they do with this driveway. And I would give this a medium to high thumbs. It just smells really bad inside. Looks like it was just cleaned recently. And this is a Porta Potty here, Blue Site Solutions, with the second row home being built here off Craig Drive and Ocean Drive, Emerald Isle, North Carolina.